Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3. I'm in the Xago. Yes, the Xago. It's so much fun driving this car. Just a quick video today. I got something really special in the mail. Special because I've been playing around with this thing for a while, at least the predecessors, and I've gotten some really awesome footage. So I am going to do a little bit of an unboxing for you and show you what this thing is and maybe a preview of what are some of the things to come. So come along for the ride, all right? Here we go. All right, guys, here's the unboxing. So if you've watched my videos for a while, in fact, what I'm shooting on is this Insta360 Go 2, which is really awesome. It's a POV. And I've been recording using the Insta360 One R. This is the twin edition. So here we have the 360. There's an action cam version. And if you've seen a bunch of my videos recently, that viral video of the SVJ Xago shooting flames at night that I shot with ignition tube, that was done on the Insta360 One X2. So now there's a new version of the One R called the One RS. Got a bigger battery, bigger processor, and it finally got here. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and show you what this new 360 camera looks like. So let's get it out of here. Okay, so we're going to rip this bad boy open. Oh, and we got quite a bit of stuff in here. So let's see what we got. We've got the Insta360 One RS core. We've got the mounting bracket. We've got the battery base. We've got the lens cap. This is really critical because, as you can imagine, look at this. That's what this plastic thing is for. If you were to put this down, you'd scratch the lens. So that's what that's for. This is the accessory shoe, so if you want to mount it to a camera, and it also has a mic adapter. So one of the things that I was really disappointed with is the sound that comes from the Insta360, and I had to actually use a secondary mic source for the sound that you see in that viral video, but it turns out to be pretty good. I'm really excited to check this out and to see what it looks like. So let's just dive into it and unbox each of these items. So let's just take a quick look at the mic adapter here, because this is new for me. Let's kind of pull this bad boy out here. Oh, it's kind of cool. It's a 360. There it is. Oh, okay. That's pretty tiny. Okay, so I'm assuming on the side of the camera, let's take this off here for a second. Make sure that we protect the lens. So if we do the One RS, put it back together, the camera door, the accessory door is right behind there. And I'm assuming that this fits right in here. I think you have to take this piece off. It's designed to come out, and I think you do that, and there you have it. And it has the 3/4 inch, I believe that is, and then it also has another USB-C there. So it's kind of right in line, so it probably would fall in the stitch, so you wouldn't see it. But I'm still worried about whatever mic you use to mount, that it may still show up. But that's pretty interesting. If you're using the action cam or the 1-inch sensor, that probably doesn't matter so much. But at least now we have a mic adapter, so that's really cool. What else do we have? The lens cap, the bracket, the rest of the stuff you don't really need to see. So yeah, this is what a lot of us have been asking for a while. It's good to see they actually finally made one, so good. All right, so we're off. Oh man. So we have the Insta360 One X2 on the back. Still going to work on some really awesome shots, but on the stuff that I've been getting from these 360 cameras, basically you record now and you compose later is unbelievable. So it's one of my new processes. It does take, the workflow is a little different, but the nice thing is you can do a lot of it from your phone or your tablet. So you don't really have to get on a computer to recompose your footage, which is kind of nice. Just listen to that exhaust sound. That's so good. Oh, the crackles. Oh. We're gonna see some city views here in a minute. Should be fun. Oh, crackle, crackle. This car is just such a dream to drive. Gonna put the windows down, just down a little bit. We'll get a little bit more wind noise, but you hear the exhausts more. Oh, those crackles. Get some awesome footage right about here. Traffic. Let's see if we can get away from all of it. Well guys, thank you so much for checking in, for watching this video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on if you don't have them already, and we'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to go and get discounts on the Insta360 cameras, go ahead and look in the description. You'll see my links. Oh, it's so good. You'll see my links. Go ahead and check it out. With that, guys, we'll see you in the next video.